Hi, I'm Herb Stevens, a skiing weatherman for the West Virginia Ski Areas Association with the latest forecast for wild and wonderful West Virginia. It still looks as though the slopes of West Virginia are in line for a sizable midweek snowfall. One area of low pressure will move from the Midwest to eastern Kentucky on Tuesday, with another low spinning up along the mid-Atlantic coast on Tuesday night. The combination of storms will provide the cold air and moisture necessary for moderate to heavy snow that should add up to 8 to 12 inches at the state's resorts. A few spots could get more than a foot. Nothing more than a little sleet will mix in with the snow, and any sleet will actually help by making it tougher for the wind to blow the snow into the woods. The snow will end on Thursday, giving the road crews 2 full days to clean things up before the weekend, a weekend that promises comfortable temperatures on the slopes and a good amount of sunshine in the sky. In short, this has the makings of a spectacular weekend for skiers, riders, and skinny skiers throughout the Mountain State. That's the latest forecast from the West Virginia Ski Areas Association. I'm Herb Stevens, the skiing weatherman. For the latest from the resorts, go to GoSkiWV.com.